last PC, some people were recommending like, why to call and sell 5 and money and then reverse the trade once it goes like that. So what happens in those kind of strategies, you can play around that. Futures and options based on that. You can take the custom strategy, trade, and I can show you that.
Positional delta, suppose I buy multiple strikes.
Yeah, and you want to know what is the combination delta for that. Yes, you can tell that.
So which shall we take an example?
Yeah, you just tell which are the options you have bought and sold. Like we create an option strategy. And the next page will show you the option strategy deltas, Vegas, Theta, and all. Each one, there is a calculator which will calculate the option Greeks. As a strategy, what is your option Greeks at this point of time you would like to know? Because you might like to adjust the delta or you might to play with that, so you can do that. And you can also play with what you need to do. Based on that delta, you can figure out what else you need to do to reduce or increase them, right? So go to that. Because you will not be able to see. So you have to probably, I just create one on the fly.
Will it be a real-time basis? Like
Yeah, it's a real-time basis. It's a real-time basis update. So you are getting the information. So example, if I, so suppose if I'm buying, say, 7,000 to 700, say, 2 options and probably I'm just creating just random.
You're selling a 7,800.
No. Okay, yeah, buy say a straddle of 7,000. Yeah, but it should have. So basically, if you create option payoff, it takes you the option and there's a delta. If you can see position delta, position gamma, position theta, so it calculates and computes for that. For this, what is your delta?
This is also you'll not be able to see, but it's showing the value of delta gamma of this sentence.
So basically that option strategy creator page basically is a very custom option strategy creator. It will basically create from any options of any choice of different like this, call, this, put, and any combination, any numbers. So suppose if I tell you that tomorrow somebody recommended I should sell 3 of 7,200 and 1 of 7,300, and again I have to sell 3 of 7, these are puts, and then I am selling 3 of 8,100 puts. And also I have calls, and also I am selling say 8,000 calls also. So now I have 8 lots position. Now what is my potential break-even point for this strategy? Then this will easily figure out because it figures out your break-even points very easily.
Anurag, is it possible like we can do it with 2 different things, like not Nifty and FDI?
Yeah, it's like a pair trading, but it's like a pair. Like I buy all of this and put of this, but then it will be more complicated because now you have 2 prices which are dictating the value.
We need the software.
So it will be another version of this software.
Does this give you the pair graph also? Like for instance, if I do a ratio of one stock by other stock.
Yeah.
Say for instance, I want to do Reliance with
Yeah.
ONGC, the price.
So you like the ratio of that you like to plot the graph. Yeah, so that which is coming up. It's that you pay that, so that will go more in the quant, that's not so much technical. Yeah, but we are building a quant mechanism where pair trading will be a pair, it will be more important function. So that's the module which is in progress. So you will see these things. That's why we are building a basic engineering. So at the end of it, at some point in time, we will basically have everything possible, whatever you can think. At present, whatever it's a continuous process. You can check with the people who have come last year. They would not have seen so many things which you have seen. So it's like.
So that was the option.
So now we are just showing you a new module. This module basically is a strategy, automatic strategy creator. Now you have learned this morning like we create in Excel or anything. Amit is going to show you a demo where we are going to create using this module without writing any code. You are able to create your entire rule in one stretch.
So let's take any example of a crossover system. This is like a free-flowing editor. You don't have to write code. You just write the condition, right? So suppose you want to do MACD crossover, right? So what you have to do, you can either select the indicator from here, or you can just start writing like MACD, right? So
you can write MACD also for
So MACD.
Sure.
So it's something like
this
this.
is the last question. Then post this one, we'll probably take questions offline because we are running short of time. So there, because we have to show the more, too many things to this.
So just to give an example, for MACD crossover, what we have to do, today's MACD should be greater than the MACD signal, and the previous MACD has to be less than the MACD signal, right? So it's as simple as like, you select the previous MSCD, just select on this, take it to, it becomes the previous MSCD.
And you can also customize the MSCD. It's not like 12 series. If you use the custom parameters with it, if you had clicked any one of them and changed that, it would have become a new MSCD.
Instead of 12, 26, 9, I can make any MSCD.
Like 13, 26, 9, or it could be 8, 22, 9, or 13, 5, 9.
And then it should be less.
So we are just writing the equations like, you know, like a flow. Like how you think today should be less, yesterday should be less, 3 days should be before, the 14 days high should be broken. It basically, here, for example, you have that dog game challenge should be broken. So you basically just write the entire steps, and price should be above super trend, and the super trend combo should be there, or in the Kumo top should be broken, or
I've just written MSCD signal crossover and
so you're just writing and yeah. So and you can use brackets. Basically, you can use brackets and or anything. It's a custom strategy item. You can just write. Then you basically so you have to just feed up just. So you have to just then you choose your entry criteria. It is a stop order. Are you entering above the high of the day or the low of that candle, below the low or whatever, or is a limit order or is a stop order? So you choose that because these are the parameters you will anyway have to specify when you for a fully algorithm. Because the same now this module will in turn create a strategy. So now exit criteria are there. Similarly, you can exit conditions are there. So exit criteria and exit conditions, like here you have stop losses, trailing stop losses and all that. Exit conditions are basically technical conditions which take you out. So you have different strategies running for different lots. You may have first lot getting out a point, second lot trailing for a strategy breakout, so all that. So all that is programmed here. Once using this, the algo which is created, you can probably save that and or take to the next page. So once you run, yeah. So now I think we have to take it offline because here I was going to show how this will connect to composite and take you through the Symfony or Nest and basically do an algorithm create on the platform.
Backtesting model.
Yeah, so same thing. This is the backtesting results. From that strategy which we created, we will actually now backtest over so many days and generate the entire report. This is the performance report and then internal reports which you trade by trade report.
Trade by trade.
For 6 years or 8 years. For all the stocks.
Intraday.
Intraday is also there. Intraday is a separate module. That you can do
So you have to buy the data or you have
no, data is all intuitive. You don't have to buy
Yeah.
it.
Sorry to cut in, but we're running a little late because we have AP session coming up. The options magic just after lunch. So we'll have a quick lunch and we'll assemble here at 2:10. 10 minutes past 2. AP is the options magic session. One of the most popular sessions and one of the most popular speakers of Traders Capital will be speaking at 10 minutes past 2. Thank you.
सही है हाँ